So back here with our GTI project. Today is going to be a fun day. We're going to be pulling out this 1.8 valve out of this GTI. We're going to be cleaning up the engine bay, detailing as much as we can. Might be some spots where we got the sand, primer, and paint underneath there, where there may be some rust. I can see a spot already over here. I'll let you see where the battery tray is. A little bit of rust showing under there. Nothing major, just a little bit of surface rust that needs to be ground out, primered, and painted. So we'll be starting that right now. So stay tuned and watch as we start pulling this motor out. So we got the 1.8 liter 8 valve out. Now we're going to start going in and cleaning everything up, organizing the wires, and wherever we see some bare metal, like over here we got some rust caused by the battery tray, by the battery, and that's the battery tray. We're going to grind that all down, clean it up, paint it, and make sure it's all nice and clean before we put the G60 back in. Very easy motors to work with. There's not much to them, not much wiring, so they come out fairly easy. That took us about 2.5 hours, 2 hours. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, back here with our Mark II GTI G60 swapped. It went in perfectly, and they're all from a Mark II chassis, so they're fairly easy swaps. It's just now making it look pretty. So we've got the engine in, everything's just about wired. We just need to tidy up some wires, and we have to figure out where we're going to put the intercooler. Because this GTI Mark II was never turbocharged, it was never supercharged, so there was no intercooler. We have to figure out where we're going to put one. So we were looking at it, we were seeing, do we put a front mount on it? We can squeeze a front mount, a little one in here, or we can squeeze one at the bottom. But I was also thinking about something else. What about a top mount intercooler? Less piping, right out of the supercharger, into the intercooler, right out of the intercooler, right into the intake. And what do you think of a hood scoop? These are some questions I have. Please leave your comment on the bottom of this video. Let me know what you think. And we're gonna go from there. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.